Off Day Guam, it's your boy Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing. Behind me is a 2018 Model Y Tesla, and we did a full color change automotive vinyl wrap. We changed it from silver to a black iridescent red. And if you ever wanted your car to stand out on the road, maybe turn some heads, or feel brand new again, a vinyl wrap might be just what you're looking for. We get the common question of what is vinyl wrap? Vinyl wrap is a high quality PVC material. It's designed to stretch, conform, and adhere to your painted surface. It gives your vehicle a fresh look without a paint job. So why get your vehicle wrapped? There are a few reasons why you would want to get your vehicle wrapped. For one, it easily changes the color of your vehicle. Not only that, it does provide some sort of protection against Guam's harsh environment. It can be easily removed and changed anytime you want to, and it's great for simple chrome deletes, hood and roof wraps, or even racing stripes. You can choose from many exotic finishes like matte, gloss, satin, even color shifting films. Options that you cannot get from a dealership and a fraction of the cost from a custom paint job. So how much does it cost? The cost of a wrap can depend on the type of vinyl you pick, the size of your vehicle, and the amount of coverage you want for your car. That's why we always recommend to come by our shop. We're located in the northern part of Guam in the village of Jigo. Our team will take a good look at your vehicle and help guide you into that right decision, walk you through all the options so you can make that best decision for your style and your budget. Whether you're looking to switch things up or protect what you got, a vinyl wrap is a smart place to start. You can learn more or request a quote at Cherry Auto Detailing.